morning, class 11. So today we are going to continue the chapter Albert Einstein at School, written by Patrick Pringle from your book Snapshot. Right? So as we have discussed about Albert Einstein in the previous class also, that you know about Albert Einstein, a very famous person, the one who is like the father of the science, because of the physics especially. So basically we are going to learn about him, specifically about his school days. A famous person, a very intelligent one, but in his school days he was a dull student. So we need to understand it here actually. Albert, he was a dull student in his school days. It's very strange to believe it actually, but this is the reality. Because he was not convinced with the conventional methods of education at that time, and he was not interested in learning other subjects. He had the interest in science only, in physics only. So he was not interested in learning the other subject. That was his philosophy's theory at that time. So he was just a dull student when he was in his school. So how the story basically started, that story started at Albert, he was in his classroom, and his history teacher was there. And his history teacher raised a question to him related to one word, and Albert was not able to answer him at all. So at that time, because for Albert, he believed basically that dates we can look up into the book also. We can turn on the pages and we can see it in the books. No use of learning the date. That was the philosophy of Albert. So that was the only reason that history teacher did not like him at all. And they both had a verbal kind of argument was there basically. So his basically belief was that dates, years, these things, numbers, we can look up into the books, we can turn on the pages to see that. What's the use of learning it? That was the reason that the history teacher did not like. Even he was not happy with his lodgings, as I described earlier also. Lodging means where he used to live. So even he was not happy with the place where he used to live, because he was living in the rented place, and that the people, the ones who were living there, they were not the civilized one according to him. He had only interest in science, playing instruments. He always used to read books about the science, about geology, about each and everything, and he used to play the instrument also. But he was not interested in learning history, and he had a great interest in maths too. We will learn about this also. So next thing happened, as he only liked science, so he had one of his friend there, Yuri, a very good friend of him. So he shared this thing with him, and he said that it seemed that he is just wasting our money in this school education. Because he was not happy with that school, and he thought that I am wasting my father's money and I really want to go back. Although his father sent to the other place because he was not learning the things in the previous school also, but here also Albert thought to go back because he was not happy with the school education. So he had a discussion with his friend Yuri, who was a very great friend of him, and he told to the Yuri to arrange a doctor, because he had a plan. Albert had a plan in his mind that he would meet a doctor, and he would ask from the doctor to give him the certificate that he was not fit for the school. See, when you are thinking this much, it basically means you are absolutely fit. So he said that he asked from the Yuri to arrange a doctor, and Yuri did also to arrange a doctor because he wanted to leave a school. Then we will learn about in this story, in this chapter, that he had one of his cousin Elsa, who advised him to learn like a parrot. Basically what she advised, she said that, see, you need to have the diploma, you need to have the education diploma, you need to pass the exam. So although you don't like the education here, but what you can do, you just learn like a parrot, do the rectification, and then write the paper and just pass it. Have a diploma, and then you can leave this place, and then you can do whatever you want to do. But according to the Albert, he said that, for me, ideas are more important. For me, understanding the things deeply is more important. I can't memorize the things. If I have understood, then obviously I can't pass the exam. I need to understand the things deeply, but I'm not happy with the education. Then we get to know that Yuri, he arranged a meeting with Dr. Ernst Will. Yes. He made the appointment with Dr. Ernst, and Albert went there to meet him. Although Albert had a plan only that he would ask that he was not fit for the school, And without saying a thing, Dr. Ernst basically understood that he was not interested to go to school because Yuri have told him also. So he mentioned that not fit for the school. So what was the reason? Now there should be some reason to write in that certificate, in that basically medical certificate. So it was came into the limelight that it should be declared that Albert had a nervous breakdown. Exactly. Now Albert had a lunatic problem. He had a nervous breakdown and he can't attend school for 6 months. He was not fit for the school. So this reason came into the mind, and doctor said that you already had this because that's why you came to me, and certificate basically issued to him. He was so happy, and he had basically planned it. And when he would go back to his father, what he would do, he would take an admission in another school or institute there with a reference. With that medical certificate, he would go away from this place and he would have a reference. So when he had that certificate in his hand, he met maths teacher in school because he went to the school to meet his headmaster that he can't attend the school. So maths teacher was there. He wanted to have this reference certificate from the maths teacher because he was very good in maths. He always, like as I mentioned in the starting, science and maths. Maths teacher was also happy with Albert, with his performance, and even he thought that he could even teach teacher also. And when Albert met the headmaster, and he wanted to show him that certificate. He wanted to show him that certificate that he was not fit for the school and he can't attend for another 6 months because of the nervous breakdown. Just before that, headmaster, what he said to Albert, that you are expelled from the school. You are suspended from the school. So before that only, so basically his certificate was in his pocket only. It was like a burning hole for him. It was useless for him because the headmaster only expelled him. And the reason what he gave, that in the presence of the Albert, in the classroom, teachers can't teach and other students can't study. That reason was given. And as he was expelled, although his nervous breakdown certificate was of no use for him, but he was happy that he was not able to attend that school. And he left that place again. Never even gave, never he had gave a look again to that school. Actually, he was so happy to be. So see, basically what is there, a dull student who was not a very bright child in his studies. He had only interest in 1 or 2 subjects only. But see, today everyone talks about Albert Einstein. That, and because he had that interest there. So basically, you should also have an interest to do the things, and you need to pass the exam to do something in your life. So I really hope this is clear to you, and from the next class we will do the reading